How to register online banking on Standard Chartered. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register online banking on Standard Chartered. For this, open up any web browser and head over to sc.com, or you can open the Standard Chartered application on your device. All you want to do is head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you are on the app or on the website, you want to log into your account. For that, tap on the login option at the top of your screen. From here, select online banking login. Now, if you have already registered, you can enter your username and password and tap on the login option. If you are new to this and you want to register, you have two options over here. The first one is register with your ATM, debit card, credit card, or account number. The second option is register with temporary ID and SMS PIN. I'm going to select the first option. Now, all you need is a mobile phone that is already registered with the bank. You will need this to receive a temporary passport. You also need to have one of the following: ATM card, expiry date and PIN, debit card, credit card details, and account number and TIN. So if you have one of these details, tap on I agree to terms and conditions and then tap on the accept option. Now tap on this drop down and select the type of account that you have. Then you will have to enter the following details. If you have selected credit card, enter your credit card number. Then you want to enter the expiry date of that card. Now you want to enter your date of birth. Once that is done, you want to enter your CVV number over here. After this, tap on the next option. Now you will have to complete 4 more steps, and after that, you will be successfully registered on the online banking of Standard Chartered. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.